Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to Culture News TV. So today I can share with you this pastor will be say we say he go bury charm for brother land. So before we go into this issue, I'm gonna watch this small video and make una not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, I beg subscribe. If you don't subscribe us before, God bless you. And like our video, share our video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you go get notified anytime we say we upload any new video. So my people, now don't watch the short video. So this video they not talk the real we say it happened, they not narrate, and so I'm not going to understand wetin happen for you. So yeah, wetin just happen for that video na the pastor wey I wan try talk about wetin happen to am. So we say e go very sharp for brother land. So they say for Rivers State, this pastor na pastor for Rivers State. In fact na prophet, alright. Prophet Paul Adam na him be him name. Say for Rivers State, he don break many relationships, many marriages. Go just dey see false prophecy for people. Go tell person wife say your husband and this one your husband and that one don't break many home and don't collect many money for people. So the one way expose am so now this is brother own, now this is brother own, and the one will be saying he exposed this man. So this prophet, Paul Adam, so they can say according to report say this man tell his brother say person want kill him, say person want take his life, say the person go bury something for his land, the land where that his brother get. So now his brother comes so okay, say what they go do now? He say right now, say what they need to do now, make his brother pay some money. That is, they don't mention the amount, they don't person will report this thing, don't mention the amount of the money where this pastor collect. So me pay so amounts, make they go pray for the land, uproot the charm. Hey brother come so okay. Brother come pay him the money. So now if the pastor can't go the land, go bury the charm. Where they bury the charm, you don't know say person see him. As person they see him and the person when you don't come out now, the person come call your brother and other people say, see what this pastor do for you. And they come say carry the pastor, but they come uproot the charm, come outside, carry and give the pastor, take and they parade the whole community. Say that the pastor na fake pastor, he don't destroy many things for the community, alright. Say this pastor so not be good pastor at all. He don't destroy many homes, he don't destroy many marriages, don't see fake prophecy for many people. We say many people don't see do bad things, alright. So this issue so now for people to still learn. I make a carry and come here. See, not everything will be say pastor tell you now you say they do something. At least they not say they not they believe pastor, right? Sometimes we see they believe pastor, but most times if pastor tell you something, just try pray about him. Make you ask God if now re say what the pastor they talk now truth, alright. It's good move they closer to God than they closer to pastors. But what will they see these days where we say pastors they do? With the fear, alright. So now everything we pastor talk now we go say they do something. You get the one where I still see for social media that they will say pastor see fake prophecy for one man, say 3 children are which me buy them, come buy 3 children at last. Because say the pastor son are fake and the 3 children don't already go. Alright, so my people, make una use and learn lesson. So according to what we hear, say Genevieve Nnaji, Genevieve Nnaji died a popular Nigeria actress, Nollywood actress. Genevieve Nnaji said that we hear say she be lesbian, but right now we never. Many people they talk and say this woman na lesbian because say in they go university, go they carry girls, maybe say if they sleep with or they sleep with her. That we don't know. And this the one we say this man that take cast to so now this Olamide where we say he married to this man, they are too famous, I make the matter cast. So the man come and say this Genevieve don't break in home. Say Genevieve not let his wife they stay house. say only thing wey dey do with your wife na just they go just dey travel up and down. Your wife go leave children for nanny, dey travel up and down, you no dey let am see your wife again. Say right now your wife not dey interested for marriage again, na just Genevieve come dey friend. Say right now im dey beg Genevieve make he leave your wife. So now we come dey say so this woman na real lesbian, na make her no marry. So many people they say no, say this woman don't say when she start this thing. No, say na since 2002 she started the thing. Say even most of the Nollywood actress know about this thing. So say they don't talk and say this woman a lesbian right from time. So many actress know say this woman a lesbian. So that make the woman no agree marry, no one marry because of these things we say she did do. So now we call they say this fine old lady we say just fine like this, and this woman just nearly complete 41. She did beautiful, she just fine with a good stature. So how this lady will be say fine like this could just be lesbian? The thing they wonder me. So my people what do not think? And I really believe say this rumor where they go on so now really true say this Genevieve Nnaji lesbian, or she not just won't marry because she not feel like to marry, or na read true say na she na lesbian make her no want marry. So we dey confused here. So my people make una leave una comment whether this Genevieve na lesbian or na not be lesbian. So and make una beg, make una go check out my new channel at Top Trendy channel. Alright, just write Top Trendy, you see the channel come out, and I will still put the channel for the description box. Go check them out. They always talk about celebrity, all those news where we say Ogbonge news where they go on. He did that channel. Just go check them out. You see the channel where they talk and you go love what we say it they happen for them. So my people, make una support our channel, love our channel, subscribe and like, share our channel. I beg, make una share our channel. So my people, make una support me, make una support my live video on Sunday. So on Sunday I want to do live video, make una try, make una come support, and I need una opinion on this live video. Now make I dey try tell una make una support me on this live video. We say I want to do on Sunday. This Sunday we say they come, so I want to do live video from that kind 8. Make una come support. Now relationship issue we want to talk about, just the one just your opinion. And before I start the live video, I go leave my number where we say if una want call to contribute, una fit call. So my people, make una not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share our video. So the things, most things we want to talk about on Sunday are just relationship. Alright, so my people, make una share our video.